Ready to transform casual website visitors into loyal customers. First, head over to Wix and sign up for an account or log in. If you already have one, click Create New Site. You'll be guided through a simple question to understand the purpose of your website. Next, you'll see two options. Let Wix ADI create a site for you, or create your website with the editor. We're going to create with the editor so we can get the exact landing page we're looking for now. Browse through the various templates Wix offers. Narrow down your search by typing landing page into the search bar and selecting the one that matches your vision. Don't worry too much about the current content. You can customize everything. Now, let's add a compelling headline. Double-click on the existing text to edit it and make it shine. Add an engaging paragraph below it, describing what visitors will gain. Then, drag a button element from the left-hand toolbar and place it beneath your text. Click on the button to customize its text, colors, and most importantly, link it to your desired action, such as a sign-up form or a product page. Spice up your landing page with visuals. Drag and drop an image or video to create visual interest and grab your visitors' attention. Choose compelling visuals that showcase your product, service, or brand. Don't forget about mobile users. Click on the mobile icon in the top bar to preview and optimize your landing page for smaller screens. This ensures a seamless experience for all your visitors. Finally, double-check everything. Is your call to action clear? Is your design appealing? Is your landing page conversion optimized? Once you're satisfied, hit publish and start converting those visitors into customers. Good luck.